Oke, hari ini kita jalan-jalan bersama. What your name?
Daria. My name is Daria.
Daria from Odessa.
I'm from Odessa, Ukraine.
Okay. So today we go to Padang Beach.
Yeah.
Ikuti trip kita bareng Daria. Oke, akhirnya hari ini kita jalan lagi nih. Bikin foto dia. Kita pergi ke White Sand Beach di Padang Bay. Jadi ini pantai cukup bagus lah buat ambil gambar. Ya, sekalian kita bikin video juga nanti sama dia. Damn! Ya, kalau mau tahu dia nanti gua link Instagram dia di deskripsi lah.
So we are going to White Sand Beach. We're gonna make some cool videos and good photos.
Yes.
And well, I hope you guys will watch this video. We'll put thumbs up.
Yep.
And we'll subscribe. I don't want to be here like too many hours. Oh, wow, it's so beautiful.
No, God! 15 minutes later.
Oke, jadi ini kita udah di pantai Padang Beach sama
Yeah, we're going to take some photos.
jadi kita coba buat bikin foto lagi di pantai sebelah sana nanti buat fotoin dia.
White Sand Beach, and now we're making this beautiful photo shoot. Look at this scenery, it's so amazing.
Yes. So, are you enjoy?
Yeah, I love it. Oh, maybe we should take a picture over there.
Yeah. There?
Yeah, like here. Look at this, here. No, like this.
Jadi gua masih cari lokasi yang bagus di Padang Bay ini.
Yeah.
White Sand Beach, yeah, there. Okay, nice. It's nice.
Good?
Yes, it's good.
Let's do it here.
Yep. Okay. Kata dia tuh di sana bagus. Oke. Kita coba di sana mungkin lebih bagus. Oke, come on.
Okay.
Look around.
Well, we are here and I've never been here actually. It's a
But you like this
beautiful
place?
I do like it, this place.
Yes.
It is beautiful.
Jadi ini sendalnya putus. Jadi pas kita bikin video, sendal dia tuh putus, no. Aduh, sendal jepit nih bikin putus.
Can you help me please?
Iya, I can help. Ini sendal dia putus. Sedih. Oke, ini setelah selesai.
So we made like videos, photo shoots, and now we're about to eat food. Show some
Eat
food.
this food. Nah, ya, this one. Nah, kita cari makan dulu. Kita order di warung ini sebuah makanan. Oh, ini setelah selesai foto-foto. Makanya kita pokoknya ikuti perjalanan kita mau balik nanti. Kita mampir di sebuah pantai lagi ya, atau mungkin langsung balik ke hotel. Oke, akhirnya ini kita balik lagi setelah dan setelah.